Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so children, today's date is 2 February 2022. Okay, today's date is 2 February 2022 and today's day is Wednesday. Today's day is Wednesday. Alright? Okay, so children, today you have done A to Z. ओके आप सभी लोगों ने A to Z तक कंप्लीट कर लिया है ओरल. ऑलराइट, नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न phonics. ओके, फोनिक्स साउंड्स ऑफ लेटर. ओके, जो A to Z आपने रीडिंग की है ना, उसकी फोनिक साउंड रीड करेंगे. ऑलराइट, एंड चिल्ड्रन यू हैव टू रिपीट आफ्टर मी. आपको मेरी बात रिपीट करना है. ऑलराइट, चलो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. I will teach you with flashcards. Okay, look at here. A for apple. A for apple. Apple. Say apple. A. The letter of A की phonic sound क्या होगी? A. A for apple. Apple. Next letter is B. Alright, next letter is B. B for ball. B for ball, butterfly. Ball. Ball. Okay, B. Letter, phonic sound of B is B. Next letter is C. C for cat. C for cat. 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 Okay, children? C. Phonic sound of letter C is K. Next is D. D for doll. D for doll. Doll. Phonic sound of D is D. D for doll. Doll. Next is E. E for elephant. E for egg. Elephant. Okay? Elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. Fish. F की phonic sound F. F for fish. Fish. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for goat. G for grapes. So G, phonic sound of G is G. Grapes. G for grapes. G for goat. Okay, G. Phonic sound of letter G is G. Okay. G for girl, G for grapes. Go. H for horse. H for horse. Horse. Okay. H for horse. Phonic sound of H is H. Okay. H. Next letter is I. Okay, next letter is I. I for igloo. I for igloo. E. Phonic sound of letter I is E. Okay, igloo. I for igloo. E. Okay, igloo. Next letter is J. J for jacket. J for jacket or J for jug. So J for jacket. Jacket. J. Phonic sound of J is J. Okay, J. Next is K. K for kite. K for kite. Kite. Okay, kite. L for lion. L for lion or L for lamb. Okay. So L for lamb. Lamb. Okay. Lamb. Phonic sound of L is L. Next is M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Alright. Monkey. M. Alright. M. M. Phonic sound of M is M. Next letter N. N for nest. Nest. N for nest. Nest. Phonic sound of N letter is N. Okay. Next is O for owl and O for orange. O for orange. So the phonic sound of O is O. Okay. O. O for orange. O. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Parrot. Letter phonic sound of P is P. P for parrot. P. Next is quills. Okay, Q. Letter Q. Q for quills and Q for quill. Quill means kambal. Okay, quill. So letter Q. Phonic sound of Q is qua. Qua. Okay, qua. Q for quill. Qua. Next is letter is R. R for rose. Rose. Okay, R for rose. R. Phonic sound of R is R. Next is S for shoes. Okay, S for shoes. S for sparrow. Okay, so letter S, phonic sound of letter S is S. Shoes. Sleeper. S for shoes. Sleeper. Sun. Sun. Okay, S. Next is T for tomato. T for tomato. Tomato. Okay, T for tiger or T for tomato. So letter T, phonic sound is T. T for tomato. Okay, now next letter is, children, U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay, O. Phonic sound is U is O. Okay, U for umbrella. O. Okay. Next is letter V. V for van or V for violin. Phonic sound of V is V. Violin. V for violin. Okay. Next letter is W. W for whale. W for whale. W for watermelon. Okay. So phonic sound of letter W is W. W for whale. W. Okay. Next is letter X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. X-ray. Okay. So Xmas tree. Phonic sound of X is X. X. Okay. Phonic sound of X is X. Xmas tree. Okay. Next is Y for yacht. Y for yak. Y for yacht. So phonic sound of letter Y is Y. Yacht. Yak. Okay. And the last letter is Z. Letter Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z. Letter phonic sound of letter Z is Z. Okay, Z. Alright, so these are the phonic sound of letter A to Z. Okay, now children, what will you do? You have to make a video. Okay, आपको क्या बनाना है? एक वीडियो बनाना है and send it to your class teacher. Okay. Okay, so children, you have to make a video. Okay, but how? कैसे? Listen. I have taught you about phonic sound of letter A to Z. So you have to read A for like, A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. Okay, like this you have to do and make a video and send it to your respective class teacher. आपको ये वीडियो बनानी है A to Z तक ऐसे ही रीडिंग करके एंड सेंड इट टू योर क्लास टीचर. अपने क्लास टीचर को सेंड करना है वीडियो. ओके, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ऑलराइट, एंड रीड अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. ओके, प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको वैसे ही लर्न हो जाएगा. गॉट इट? ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स इनफ फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे.